Hello everyone. When you try to download or install an app or game from the Microsoft Store, you might get an error message that reads, "It looks like you don't have any applicable devices linked to your Microsoft account." This error shows up when you don't have the Xbox device registered with your Microsoft account and still try downloading an app or game from the Microsoft Store. In this video, we will look at all the possible solutions to fix it. Method 1. Reset the Microsoft Store. Click on Start menu, and open up the Windows settings. Click on the Apps section in the Settings menu. Click Apps and Features. Look for Microsoft Store. Once you find the Microsoft Store, click on the Advanced options below it. Now click on the Reset button. A confirmation window will pop up. Confirm the action by clicking on Reset again. Method 2. Remove Microsoft Store database files. Press Windows plus E to open Windows Explorer. Go to the following path. Open the Store and then delete the tstore.edb. Finally, restart your computer. Method 3. Verify the device limit. Open up your web browser and visit this link. Select Manage Device Limits. Check the number of devices that are connected to your account. If there are more than 10 devices on this list, remove those you do not need anymore.